Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back passionate. Welcome to this new video, and today is a Longchamp unboxing. Yes, I know we are at the moment at the sales period time, or maybe it will just end when I will launch this video, but I wanted to do this video before showing you what I got on sale. The Longchamp item I'm going to show you in this video were bought during the month of May on a website I have already talked to you. It's called Veepee. I'm sorry, my friend, I do not know if in North America this website is available, is present, I don't know. It's a website where brands are making sales, are proposing old collection item, and they had a Longchamp sale, and I'm very happy because for 2 years, Longchamp were no more present on this website. So when I got the information, because I am a subby to this website, I got the information. Of course, I was the first day of the sales on the website to see what they had as Longchamp item. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. I had the great pleasure to show you because I'm so happy about what I have bought. It concerns 2 items, and as I told you, it's old collection item, but sometimes you miss item and you are happy to see them after. So let's start with the very first one. It's something I got in my collection already, but I am so happy with it. I have always dreamed to add another one. I'm talking about Le Roseau Essential pouch, and these pouch are really nice because these one were released at the very beginning of the Roseau Essential line, and they were made with Tyrian leather. I have already explained you in a previous video that after it was no more Tyrian leather but just cowhide grain leather. And I got, as I told you, already one pouch, this one that you have already seen in my video. And this one is in the Sauge color, and I love it. I am daily using it. I got it for years and it is still in an amazing condition. Of course, it has expanded because, as you can see, it is full packed with my pen and so on. But I love it. The leather is just everything, and I was really interested in adding another one. Sadly, they stopped producing this pouch, so that's the reason why when I saw that they had all stock, I had to grab one. So here is the one I picked. So as it is old stock, they are launched like this. You do not have a lovely wrapping and so on. You just have the traditional Longchamp wrapping when they are in their stocks. So I got the natural color, which is a lovely brown, and look at it. And of course, since it is brand new, she has no wrinkle. She is super flat. And after, when you use it, of course, it changes, and you can see. I love them. As I explained you, Tyrian leather is one of my favorite leather. It's super soft. It has grain. It's a grain leather, but the feeling, it's so supple, so luxurious. Other brands are using Tyrian leather like Hermes. And here, so they have this to maintain the shape, and inside it's raw. I like it, seriously. Oh, and this is the Longchamp tag. I love it. I am over the moon. You see, it's super supple. The feeling, the touch is amazing. So I'm super happy. And of course, I got a bargain on it. They used to retail, sorry, I just know the price in euro. They used to retail 95 euro, and I paid for this 45.99 euros. So yes, let's say 46 euros, so half price. I'm so happy. So I picked this item. I know I will use it a bunch because I have a lot of pen and I'm sure I'm going to use it as a pencil case, and I am super happy. And now I got two, so that's so great. And I picked another item. So as I told you, they came in the Longchamp wrapping, but you don't have extra wrapping like if you are buying from a Longchamp boutique. And you see, you have the code. So let's open the tiny box and discover what I find. And I got, so I know a bunch of you know, because when you have tiny pouch like this, it's either a keychain or either a strap. Yes, my friend, I picked the Mademoiselle strap in calfskin leather with silver hardware. And I am so happy because it's, as I just told you, a calfskin, but it is really well made. I love the design. I love the design, and my God, it smells divine. Both items are smelling divine. Here, the hook. And I love this kind of strap because it's perfect on your shoulder. I'm talking for myself because it's a short one, but not so short. You don't have the bag just here, and it's okay. And I love because you don't have, you know, the adjusting system. I love also the fact that it is quite large, so it's really comfortable on your shoulder. And I love this color because I know it will go with a bunch of my bags. So I am really happy. I think I will use it on all my brown bag, and especially on my Luxe, Roseau Luxe edition bag. So even if it is not exactly the same color, you know, I love to play with my strap. I think it will be nice. And for this one, it used to retail 130 euro, and I pay for it. Also half price, I just pay 55.99 euros, so 56 euro. So quite a bargain. I'm so happy. And of course, during the sales, you had a lot of bags and a lot of other. You've got a lot of SLG, wallet, and so on. But most of them, I already got them in my collection, or they were similar items. But I am really happy to add those two because I know I will use them. I will use them, and oh my God. The feeling, once again, of this one is just amazing. So I repeat, I got them on the website, which propose several brands with old collection item at a quite bargain price. Of course, if one day they make another Longchamp sales, I think I will be tempted to see what they have. But for the moment, I'm really happy to got these two items. If you have any question concerning this item, please write me a comment. I will be more than happy to help you. If you love my channel, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. The next video, I don't know how I will organize. Don't be afraid if you see me with the same outfit. Today is less hot, so I think I will try to film a bunch of video. It will be better. So don't be afraid, just telling you this. Thanks for watching this video. Take care till the next one. I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.